Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and I'm going to give my first impressions on the crafted black color of the Galaxy Z Flip 6. This is a Samsung.com exclusive color. I'll have it linked in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. I already have a dedicated review on this Flip 6 up on my channel currently if you want to see some more detailed analysis of this flip, but in this video, just going to be checking out the crafted black color. Let's get right into it. Don't want to waste your time. Inside the box, we have, wow, our crafted black on top. Super excited to check this out. In the box, we're going to have our same as usual. Let's go ahead and check out the star of the show here, the Galaxy Flip 6 in the crafted black color. Really liking this, especially since we don't have some crazy camera colors on the camera to go with it like we do on all the other Flip 6 colors where the colors are matching the camera rings. So these really do stick out, and some people in my initial videos were commenting that this is an eyesore for them. So on this crafted black color here, definitely don't have to worry about the camera rings. And of course we have the new textured design. So definitely a different look and feel in this one compared to a lot of the other Flip 6 colors this year. We have a lot of pastel sort of colors going on. So I think people looking for some more neutral colors are definitely going to be gravitating towards the silver shadow color of the flip, and especially this crafted black color. Now I did just do a video on this on the fold as well, the crafted black color. Feel free to check that out after this one. But you can see that we have the same exact design here, same exact feel, same amount of reflectivity going on. As far as our sidings, we look to have the exact same very dark gray sidings. And if you compare this to a true black that Samsung offered on their Fold 3 and Flip 3, you can see that there's definitely more of actual black sidings on this previous black color. We definitely have more of a darker gray here. And then as far as on the back, of course, we have the glossier finish here. And this is definitely more of a darker gray once you put this into the actual lighting. Now let's go ahead, fold this flip for the first time. But now getting our first feel of the flip folded up with this new crafted black color, you can definitely feel that texturing on the back. And I absolutely love this here on the flips that we just have a matte finish here on the sidings and especially the hinge. If we compare this to last year's Flip 5, we just had glossiness going on all over this phone. So this thing was just fingerprint magnet central, the glossy sidings, glossy back, and especially the glossy hinge as well. And the fact that you just have this phone in the palm of your hand like this a lot of the time. So you're just getting fingerprints all over this phone all the time. Whereas really liking now that we just have matte finish here that looks nice, feels nice. Here's the Flip 6 in blue side by side with the crafted black. Looking at the front here, you can definitely see this is a much more toned down experience, especially when you're able to see kind of the top part of the siding here in addition to the hinge when you have the outer display facing you. Again, really toned down camera cutouts here on the front if this doesn't suit you. And I can't stress enough how much more grip there is on this flip with the crafted black. You can see here that definitely has a lot more grip going on compared to this matte finish. Looking at this next to the Flip 4, one of the things I really missed from these previous generation folds and flips is that we had engraved Samsung branding. It just really made the phone pop and have a nice premium look and design to it. Whereas we don't have that anymore on the folds and the flips. I don't know, it just doesn't look nearly as nice and premium in my opinion. This really does make it stand out. But as far as our gap here, we definitely have a reduced gap now on this Flip 6, just a little bit at the top there, that little hole you can see through. Whereas on the Flip 4, you can definitely see right through the phone. You can see that from this angle too, the phone didn't really sit flat on itself, whereas on this Flip 6, we definitely have more of a flat finish. Something I also noticed in the fold unboxing of this color is that the antennas are way less noticeable on this black color. So on the blue color over here on the left, you can see antennas on this side, on the bottom, on this side as well. Whereas on this Flip 6, from this angle, you really can't even see them at all. If you put it in direct light, yeah, you can see them just a little bit. But I love overall that this is just really toned down. This is just a really clean, simple, nice and stealthy look. Taking a look at the inner displays of both of my Flip 6s, you can see on the blue one here that you definitely notice that blue color outlining, whereas on the black one, it really blends in with the black framing around the display. So it visually kind of makes it look like this black one has more bezels. But after playing around with these for a little bit, checking them out side by side outdoors in direct sunlight, I am definitely going to be going with this crafted black color, opposed to some of the more pastel looking colors of the other flip options. While I do like the blue color of the Flip 6, it's probably my second favorite color out of all the options. I just love the overall stealthy and just simple looking design of the crafted black, and really I cannot understate that grip. The grip really does help a lot, especially with this phone when it's just in the palm of your hand all the time. Whenever I am using a Flip 6, I often just have it in the palm of my hand right here, ready at a moment's notice to jump into the outer display or just quickly jump into that inner display. The grip on this actually is an added benefit going with this crafted black color, and it is interesting that I actually prefer the crafted black on the Flip over the Fold, because on the Fold there's a really good navy blue color that I'm personally going to be sticking with. But again, on the Flip, just with the totally different color options that Samsung is presenting, I am definitely really gravitating towards this crafted black color. But as always, I'll be curious to hear your thoughts on the crafted black Flip 6 down in the comments below. Leave a like on your way out and check out the first link in the description for Samsung's best deals on this Flip 6. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.